video tutorial, we will guide you how to make a beautiful leather hibiscus. This flower originates from the subtropical areas of the globe, and it is a very popular botanical feature. This is a very special flower for us. This design was fully copied from nature, and Galina will tell you in details how she did it. You can use her experience designing your very own favourite flowers. By making this hibiscus, you will learn the main techniques of flower making with leather, the dyeing technique, how to apply stiffener, and working with tools. You don't need a full set of flower making tools to make this amazing hibiscus. Galina designed this flower so that you will only need 2 flower making tools, a Japanese iron and tweezers. She will also explain to you how to work with them and assemble your beautiful creation. Galina will show you her way to make a stunning middle of our flower. You can use this technique creating different leather flowers. From this video tutorial, you will learn not only how to make a leather flower itself, but we will tell you about the different options of assembling your flower so you will have the perfect finished accessory. As a special bonus, when you buy this video lesson, you will receive a fully illustrated tutorial to deepen your understanding. You will be able to make your own stunning leather hibiscus by purchasing this video tutorial on Galina's website or on her Etsy shop. Happy flower making!